Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your system meets requirements and installing a package manager. This saves time later. Next, install Fisch and make it your login shell because Swift tooling expects a stable interactive shell. Once done, install Homebrew or your distro's package tool and update repositories. This allows reliable Swift packages. Make sure to open a fresh Fisch session so path changes apply. You'll now be ready to fetch Swift binaries and configure environment variables for the next steps. You will now fetch and install Swift itself. Use Homebrew for stable versions or download the official Swift tarball for a particular release, extract to a known folder. Then, add the Swift bin directory to your Fisch path or set Swift home in config. Fisch so tools discover compilers and Swift format. Once configured, install Swift lint and source-kit LSB to get diagnostics and formatting. After that, restart your editor and Fisch so language servers register. This creates a smooth development loop for building Swift projects. You finish by creating and verifying a Swift package. Run Swift package init, then Swift build and Swift test to confirm toolchain integrity. Use Swift run to execute your program and Swift version to ensure you're using the intended release. If something fails, resource config. Fisch, inspect path for duplicate binaries and remove conflicting installations. Often Homebrew versus tarball conflicts cause issues. As a final tip, check environment variables and reinstall source-kit LSB if editor diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.